Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. All right, so let's quickly get into the analysis for today. So, what do we have in the market today? Yesterday, we had NASDAQ do some amazing move, right? So, NASDAQ had a very big imbalance candle to the upside. And yesterday, New York session during the live trading opportunity, I was actually looking for an opportunity to sell, right? But the opportunity did not, I wasn't active on the chart when the price was at a level that I could have started selling from. So there was a level where the price was that I should have sold from, right? I was imagining that, okay, NASDAQ is going to take this high. And I was there when it actually took this high, right? I saw it struggling to, take this high and doing this, but I didn't actually pay attention to that level. I would have taken a trade from there and made profit. But anyway, so today, it's possible that we actually have another sell opportunity. What we just need to do now is to do the analysis, and then we're going to potentially see what we can get for today, guys. All right, so in order to see what we can get, let's do like this. Uh, Okay, so what do we have right now this morning is let's draw our session levels, areas of liquidity, and the zones that we're going to be trading from. Okay, so we're going to mark the high and low of yesterday. Obviously, we already know how that is going to be so big. The high and low of yesterday. So this is the highest point that price got to yesterday, this level. Obviously, that's going to be the highest candle point. And the lowest candle point for yesterday is going to be here. So that's also in the 4-hour swing low, all right? And now, what do we need to see? Now that NASDAQ has potentially done what it's doing right now, so there's a chance that, okay, let's see the Asian range because the previous day is way ahead. So I think if NASDAQ can pull back into this level, I'm going to take a second sell, yeah? Because potentially now this would be like the resistance level that our sellers will be waiting from, and then from here we can sell again to the downside, and potentially maybe selling from here would actually now cover all the imbalance that is actually remaining to the bottom, and then price can now start moving normally. Okay, so in this scenario, okay, so what can I actually see right now? There is a level right above the Asian eye, right? And that's like a very tiny level, just here. Although NASDAQ already pulled out of the Asian high, right, during London session open, and he pulled out of the Asian high, but he's back inside it. But now he's trying to trade again out of it. So I'm thinking that NASDAQ would somehow manage to get out of this level, go into this zone, and if we begin to see something like a double, like a change of character, from here, I'm going to be taking a sell. So I'm going to be monitoring NASDAQ today in this level. I would even put an alert so that even if a trade setup happens around, between 11 and 12 a.m. or p.m., I'm going to take it. So normally I wouldn't take the trade in London session, but if it happens between now and 12 p.m. and the setup looks good, I'm going to take that trade because it's just a good zone to take it from. All right, so let me see what it looks like on 1 hour. Okay. On 1 hour, on the other hand, let me close the session break. On the 1 hour, actually, on the 1 hour, the zone has to be like all the way here on the 1 hour. So that's the zone on 1 hour itself. That's why on 15 minutes, you can refine the zone much better. But if it taps into it also like this, anyway, if you have to take this trade, your stop has to be here, which is 163 points. So if you're taking this trade, you have to reduce your stop loss, and then you're going to get 600 points. So potentially, the best thing that can happen now is for this trade to move a lot into this zone, and then you can, there's something I'm thinking right now that NASDAQ may wants to do. So yesterday, NASDAQ took the liquidity of the first high that was somewhere here. So today, you might take the second one, or even go for the third one before start selling. And that's just a possibility that just came to my mind just now. All right, so So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to potentially be selling NASDAQ more from the supply level inside this box right here, the yellow box, Adrian. So the best thing is we'll just wait till New York session for that to happen. Let's see if we have any news today. Oh yeah, there is a PMI coming out today by 2:45 p.m. So since PMI is coming out, then it's possible that around that time there will be some sort of movements in the market. So right now, NASDAQ is struggling to really break out, but based on how it is currently working, I think that they will eventually still break it out, like break out of it, tap into this zone properly, and start to give like another sell. But I'm also going to give another alert right here because I believe that, okay, let me put the alerts right here. Because if they should break this, then that means that, oh, okay, they are changing character. All right, guys and girls, let's go and be patient. And we are going to come back to trade by New York session. All right, as usual, guys, if you have any question about analysis, I'm trading NASDAQ, right? So, and now though I'll start trading gold, but I'm trading gold not on the live stream. This personally on another accounts that I have. I want to start trading gold. And okay, hopefully I can start sharing gold analysis as well with you. But for now, I'm sharing only NASDAQ analysis. I'm more confident with NASDAQ trading and all. So to also give you a perspective on the PropFab challenge, I'm currently down about 2% on the PropFab challenge account itself. So hopefully we can pass the accounts this week and get to the next account. All right, guys and girls, thank you for coming, and we'll see you trading live at New York session. All right, bye everybody.